In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your cover photo on Facebook Private. This is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes, allowing you to have more control over your online presence and ensure that only the people you choose can see certain aspects of your Facebook profile. So, let's get started and walk through this step by step. First, log into your Facebook account using your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile page. You can do this by clicking on your name or profile picture in the top bar. On your profile page, you'll see your current cover photo at the top. Hover your cursor over this cover photo, and you'll notice a camera icon appearing at the bottom right corner of the photo. Click on the cover photo itself, not the icon. Doing so will open a larger version of your cover photo along with some additional information and options about the photo. There will be a button labeled Edit or Options directly beneath the photo. Click on this button. Now, look for the Edit Audience option or a similar privacy settings option. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see several privacy settings you can choose from, such as Public, Friends, Only Me, and more. To make your cover photo private, you'll want to select Only Me. This ensures that only you can view the cover photo on your profile. It's important to note that while people won't be able to see the image, they might still see that there is something there, and only you will know what it is. If you don't see the Only Me option and only see options like Public or Friends, your current privacy settings might restrict it. In that case, you might have to adjust your overall privacy settings in Facebook to allow more detailed privacy selections. Remember that changing this setting doesn't affect new cover photos in the future, so you'll need to repeat this process each time you upload a new cover photo if you want to keep it private. If for any reason, you decided to revert the changes and make your cover photo visible again to more people, you can always go back, find the Edit Audience menu again, and select a different option, like Friends or Public, to suit your comfort level. And there you have it. It's a straightforward way to have more control over what the world sees about you on Facebook. Taking these steps ensures you're a little more in control of your personal information online, allowing for a more customized and private browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.